A promising University of Otago researcher has just received the prestigious Heineken Young Scientists Award. The awards are given out every 2 years by the Royal Netherlands Academy of Arts and Sciences. The recipient, Dr Rob Middag, joins us to talk about this one in the highly competitive environmental science category. Good evening, Doctor. I hope I didn't murder your name. Tell us about your work, please, as a chemical oceanographer.
Yes. Oceanography is the study of the ocean. It's a branch of earth sciences that focuses on the ocean. And as a chemical oceanographer, I focus on molecules and elements that are dissolved in the ocean water. And I study how they affect ocean life and how they cycle within the ocean. And people are sometimes thrown by the word chemical. But just like a biochemist studies the chemistry of life, I study the chemistry of the ocean. And the ocean is quite a unique ecosystem. Most people are aware of the food web on land. It starts off with plants converting energy from the sun into biomass, being eaten by animals that are being eaten by other animals, and so on and so on. It's relatively similar in the ocean, but rather than big plants, such as grass or trees, the base of the food web are tiny unicellular algae. And they're being eaten by small animals and being eaten by bigger animals, etc., etc. And like plants on land, they can't just live off water and sunlight. They also need nutrients. This could be nitrate, phosphate, the stuff we have in our fertilizer and put on our lawns. But all life also needs trace elements, or trace minerals as they're sometimes called. For example, if a human does not have enough iron in its blood, it gets anemic, and algae can't perform photosynthesis if they don't have enough iron. And my focus is on trace elements. Which ones are important, what do they do, and how do they affect ocean ecosystems?
And are we having an effect on the oceans? Are you perceiving a relativistic effect?
We definitely have an effect on the oceans, but that's not the focus of my research. I focus on the pristine, open ocean environments where, as of yet, we don't have a huge effect yet.
All right. So this award, the Heineken Young Scientists Award, what does it mean for you and your research?
Well, obviously it's an enormous honor, and I'm very, very pleased that I got it. Is a boost, and it makes you stand just a little bit taller.
Lovely.
And it also just confirms that I'm heading in the right direction. If you're a scientist, you get really into the nitty-gritty of the research, and sometimes it's easy to lose track of the bigger picture and why you're actually doing your research. So this definitely confirms that I'm on the right track and should definitely keep doing what I'm doing.
Excellent. Congratulations to you. Is there a prize package?
Yes, it comes with 10,000 euros and a piece of art. And me and my wife can fly back to the Netherlands to visit our family. And
will you be returning in October for the occasion?
Yes, yeah. The award will be awarded by the Royal Academy of Arts and Sciences in a special session, and they award the prize on behalf of the Heineken Foundation.
Right. And you came to New Zealand to continue your study. Tell us why you chose us.
I came here for the oceanography group in the NIWA University of Otago Center for Oceanography. They have a very good and long-standing and internationally renowned track record for doing this kind of research. So when I was doing postdoctoral studies in the United States, and I found out there was a vacancy here at the university, I jumped up at the opportunity to apply and was very pleased that I was the successful applicant.
Dr. Rob Middag, thank you so very much for coming and thank you for being here.